Good going, Bunny. There you go. Now, Barney over here is our other barn owl. Now, something interesting. The owls depend a lot on hearing to find their food. Now, when we try this one more time, when the owl lands here, have a good look at the head. The head will move like this because he's trying to use the ears to find the food. So what we're going to do next? All right, let's try this one more time. Are you ready, Barney? Well done, Barney! That's how they go hunting, using the sense of sound. Off we go.